Now let us start the question number 3. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policyholders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. Now here is the frequency distribution table given. Now we have to convert this frequency distribution table into the continuous frequency distribution table because these observations are of less than type. That means the given distribution is of less than type. So let us convert the given data in the group frequency distribution. Here write down the class intervals as below 20. Here 20, 25, 30, 35 are the upper limits of the class intervals. So write the class intervals like this. First class interval below 20, then next second class interval is 20 to 25, next is 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, like this way. Now here if you can observe the numbers from this column, frequency column, these numbers are in ascending order. We know that usually the frequencies are randomly given, but these numbers are not random, they are in ascending order, and therefore these are cumulative frequencies, not the frequencies. Now from these cumulative frequencies we have to find the frequencies for each class interval. Now here the first frequency, cumulative frequency, is the frequency of the first class, that is below 20. That means there are 2 policy holders having the age below 20. Now for finding the next class frequency, you have to subtract this cumulative frequency from the next cumulative frequency, that is 6 minus this 2 is equal to 4. Now the next next frequency is this 24 minus 6 is 18. Then 45 minus 24 is 21. That means for getting the frequencies we have to subtract the cumulative frequency of the previous class from the cumulative frequency of the current or the class of that class interval. That means from 78 we have to subtract 45, which gives the 33, which is the frequency of the class interval 35 to 40. So like this we will get, or we can find, the frequencies from these given cumulative frequencies. Now here we know that the last cumulative frequency is our summation Fi, that is n. N is equal to 100 here. N by 2 gives 50. Since the cumulative frequency is just greater than 50, that is n by 2, is 78. Now observe, now here these are the cumulative frequency, so you have to check this value of n by 2 here in the column of cumulative frequency, not in the column of frequencies. Now the cumulative frequency just greater than n by 2, that is 50, is 78, which lies in the class 35 to 40. So this class is the median class, and therefore L is equal to, the lower limit of the median class is 35. Cumulative frequency, that is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding to the median class, is 45. Frequency of the median class is 33 and class width is 5. Now put all these values in the formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into h. After putting the values and after the calculation, we got the median is equal to 35.76 years. So here the median age is 35.76 years. Now let us start question number 4. The lengths of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Here the length of the leaves is given in millimeter and the corresponding number of leaves are given in this table. Find the median length of the leaves. Now here the given class intervals are discontinuous. To make them continuous, subtract 0.5 from the lower limit of the each class interval and add 0.5 to upper limit of the each class interval. And this conversion we can do because we have done it in 9th standard. So here these are the continuous class intervals. Now the corresponding frequencies are written here. Now find the cumulative frequencies. Now these 3 write as it is. Now 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 17 plus 12, that is the frequency of the next class, is 29, 29 plus 5 is 34, 34 plus 4 is 38, 38 plus these 2 is equal to 40. Now we know that the last cumulative frequency is our n. So n is equal to 40 here, n by 2 gives 20. The cumulative frequency is just greater than 20, that is n by 2 is, you can find this from the column of the cumulative frequency. So here cumulative frequency is just greater than 20 is 29, which lies in the class interval 144.5 to 153.5. So this is our median class, and this is the frequency of the median class, and this is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So this is our CF, this is the value of F, and the lower limit L is 144.5 and class size is 9 here, because as we made the class intervals continuous here, the difference between the lower limit and upper limit of the class interval gives 9 here. Now put all these values in the formula of the median, that is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. After putting the values, median is equal to 144.5 plus 2.25. This addition gives 146.75. So the median is equal to 146.75 millimeter, which is the median length of the leaves.